Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a fascinating journey through time as we delve into the captivating story of the birth and evolution of Dubai. In this 8-minute exploration, we'll uncover the remarkable tale of how this once humble desert enclave transformed into a global hub of innovation, luxury, and commerce. Our story begins in the early 19th century, when Dubai was a small trading port nestled along the coast of the Arabian Peninsula. Its strategic location along trade routes between Europe, Asia, and Africa made it a gathering place for merchants and traders, dealing in goods such as spices, pearls, and textiles. The late 19th and early 20th centuries witnessed the emergence of a powerful force that would forever alter Dubai's destiny: oil. In 1966, oil was discovered, fundamentally shifting the economic landscape of the region. The newfound wealth provided the resources needed to invest in infrastructure, education, and healthcare, setting the stage for Dubai's meteoric rise. But Dubai's leaders understood that relying solely on oil was not a sustainable long-term plan. Thus, the visionary leadership of Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum took bold steps to diversify the economy. His forward-thinking policies attracted foreign investment, creating free trade zones that encouraged international businesses to set up shop in Dubai. As Dubai's reputation as a global business and tourism hub flourished, it also became a melting pot of cultures. People from around the world flocked to this oasis in the desert, bringing with them their traditions, expertise, and creativity. This multicultural blend enriched Dubai's identity and contributed to its vibrant atmosphere. In recent decades, Dubai has solidified its status as a center for finance, technology, and innovation. The establishment of world-class educational institutions and research centers attracted brilliant minds, fostering a culture of learning and discovery. Today, Dubai stands as a testament to human determination and ingenuity. Its gleaming skyscrapers, luxurious resorts, and cutting-edge infrastructure showcase the city's unwavering commitment to progress. The annual Dubai Expo, a celebration of culture and innovation, further cements Dubai's position on the global stage. In conclusion, the story of Dubai's evolution from a modest trading post to a glittering metropolis is a testament to the power of visionary leadership, strategic planning, and the resilience of its people. As we reflect on Dubai's journey, we are reminded that even the most audacious dreams can become reality with unwavering dedication and a belief in the boundless potential of human endeavor.